Understanding when push comes to shove, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. When push comes to shove. This phrase holds a special place in English, often used to describe a critical moment when a decision or action becomes necessary. So, let's break it down and understand its meaning, origin, and how to use it in everyday conversations. When push comes to shove refers to a situation where matters have escalated to a point where one must make a decision or take action in the face of adversity or difficulty. It's about the moment when a situation becomes serious enough that it requires immediate action or decision-making, often after all other options have been exhausted. The phrase originated in the 19th century and is believed to come from the world of rugby, where a push and a shove can determine the outcome of a game in critical moments. Over time, it evolved into a metaphorical expression used in everyday language to signify a critical point where actions speak louder than words. To better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples. I'm not looking for trouble, but when push comes to shove, I will defend myself. We all prefer a peaceful solution, but when push comes to shove, we must stand up for what's right. She's not keen on making drastic changes, but when push comes to shove, she'll do what's necessary for the team. For English language learners, it's important to note that, when push comes to shove, is typically used in more informal settings. It's perfect for casual conversations, discussions, and sometimes in writing, when you want to express that a situation has reached a pivotal or decisive moment. Remember, the context is key to using this phrase correctly. And that's a wrap on When Push Comes to Shove. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase, helping you understand its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas and emotions, especially in those moments when push comes to shove. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.